your muscles get tight? Do you want to be able to relax your body for better sleep? Are you sore after exercise? Well, I'm about to show you a simple 3-minute relaxation exercise that will help you out with all of those things. Hi there, I'm Jess Harvey, osteopath and director here at Head to Toe Health. Thanks for watching. This is going to be worth hanging around for. This protocol can be done any time of the day, anywhere. Ideally, it's done laying on your back with your arms beside you. It's great to do before bed as part of your wind down routine or any other time that you need to relax. It helps with deep relaxation, reducing muscle tension, improving circulation, and improving your body awareness. Progressively move through the areas of the body in this sequence. You're going to start with the right foot, contracting and relaxing each area as we go. So then we're going to move to the right lower leg, the right whole leg, and the right buttock. And then move on to the left side. So we're going to go for the left foot, the left lower leg, the left whole leg, then the left buttock. Then we're going to move on to the right hand, right forearm, and the right whole arm, the right shoulder. Then we're going to go to the left upper extremity. We're going to go to the left hand, the left forearm, and then the left whole arm, followed by the left shoulder. Then we're going to go into the trunk. So you're going to start at the abdomen, then the chest. You're going to do the lower back, the upper back, then the neck. We're going to go over the top of the shoulders, into the scalp, and then the face. So moving through that sequence slowly, progressively contracting and relaxing each section as you go. So after completing this series, take 5 deep, full breaths into your abdomen to the count of 4 seconds and 8 seconds out, imagining any residual tension dissolving away. You may repeat this series if required. Some other tips for using this technique. Number 1, when you notice certain body areas or muscles tight, you can use this technique locally on that area or muscle to increase blood flow and relax the areas. Number 2, if doing this before sleep, set the intention to fall asleep before you complete the whole sequence. Number 3, the technique can be more effective if it's done in a quiet area where you know you won't be disturbed. And also number 4, do an hour or so before you have a snack or a meal. You might like to use some relaxing music while you perform the technique. This process is commonly called PMR, Progressive Muscle Relaxation, and it's highly effective and super fast. Even your kids can do it. Guiding them through this would be a great way to help them to wind down into their sleep. Give it a go yourself, share your experience in the comments. It'll cost you just 3 minutes of your time, and who knows, it could be a game changer for you. So this has been Jess from Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. For more information on relaxation techniques, check out our website articles. Take care. Bye for now.